Coping with colic. Introduction. A baby with colic is otherwise healthy. Select true or false. Correct. If your baby cries for more than 3 hours a day, at least 3 days a week, for more than 3 weeks, he or she may have colic. A baby with colic is otherwise healthy. How can you soothe a baby with colic? Choose one of the following options. 1. By gently rocking the baby or using other types of motion. 2. By holding or swaddling the baby. 3. By singing to the baby or turning on soft music. 4. All of the above. Correct. There are many ways to soothe a baby with colic. Talk to a healthcare provider to learn more techniques. Ruth's daughter is 6 weeks old and has colic. Ruth is feeling frustrated and stressed. What can Ruth do to take care of herself? Choose one of the following options. 1. Ask a friend to watch her daughter for a few hours. 2. Talk about her frustration with someone she trusts. 3. Both 1 and 2. Correct. Ruth needs to take care of herself so she can care for her daughter. Thank you for using Explain.